These adaptations in camel make it a fit candidate for survival in dry conditions in hot desert. Water is scarcely available at such places and vegetation in space. Daytime temperature often cross 50 degrees Celsius in hot deserts. This figure given below shows adaptation in cactus which help it to survive in hot and dry desert. Roots of cactus go very deep inside the soil in order to access water from deeper layers. It helps because there is little availability of water in deserts. Leaves of cactus plants are modified into spines, and this modification is to serve a particular purpose. Such leaves prevent loss of water through transpiration and thus help in conserving water. You may recall the loss of water vapor through leaves and other parts of plants is called transpiration. Stem of cactus is modified into spongy leaf-like structure. The spongy stem stores water and thus helps a cactus plant to survive in hot desert. Above examples are about a terrestrial habitat. How do plants and animals survive in aquatic habitat? Examples of fish and an aquatic plant can give some clues. Let us take the example of a fish. Streamlined body for swimming, scales to prevent the loss of moisture, gills for respiration, fins for locomotion, tails for changing directions. The body of a fish is streamlined, a shape that is wide in the middle and tapering at both ends is called streamlined. A streamlined body helps the fish move in water with least effort. Whole body of a fish is covered with scales. These scales prevent the loss of moisture from the body. These scales also prevent injury from external factors. A fish has gills on both sides of its head. These are respiratory organs of a fish. The way lungs are respiratory organs in our body, gills enable a fish to take up oxygen which is present in the dissolved form in water. There are fins and a tail on the body of fish. Fins are meant for swimming and tails help in changing direction. Most of you may have seen lotus flowers. Lotus plants show many adaptations for aquatic life. Some of them are as follows. Hollow and long stem allows the plant to remain above water. The stem is very long and attached to the bottom through roots. Leaves are large and disc-shaped and there are air spaces inside leaves. Due to this, these leaves can easily float above water. Leaf surface is covered with a layer of wax which prevents damage from water. Seeds are lightweight and hence can float on water. This ensures dispersal of seeds which helps in spreading the lineage of lotus. But not all aquatic plants show similar adaptation. Some of the aquatic plants are floating plants and their roots do not go deep inside water. Water hyacinth is an example of floating plants. Some of the aquatic plants remain submerged underwater. Example, various types of pondweed, xerophytes, mesophyte and hydrophyte. These are the names of three types of plants on the basis of habitat. Plants which grow in water are called hydrophyte. Plants which grow on land under normal condition of temperature are called mesophytes. Plants which grow in hot and dry conditions are called xerophyte. Do you know, giant water lily is the aquatic plant with the largest leaf. The diameter of leaf of this plant is up to 3 meters and leaves grow on submerged stalk, which can be 7 to 9 meters long. The scientific name of this plant is Victoria amazonica.